So good afternoon, folks. I'm representing US Labco Pvt Ltd, and we came into the existence in the year 2005-2006 as a private limited company. We are basically dealing into healthcare diagnostics. Way back 2005-2006, we have started with Tally 4.5 version, which was first version of Tally being available. Before AWS, we found it very difficult to gather on data from our servers to our systems when we set remotely. So with AWS comes out in picture, it comes out to be sorting out very easy for us to gather our data at any juncture, at any moment, at any location. So that was the biggest benefit of AWS. It is no doubt a very good initiation from Tally people that they have come out with. On their Tally, have a round through experience as we use SAP or other softwares in line, any cloud-based or hybrid software in line. So AWS integrated with Tally, it seems out to be a very good initiative from Tally people. 100% reliable, accessible, maintainability is very low. It is one of the very stable softwares I have used in my whole down career. At the same time, I have taken up few of the demo of other softwares as well. But then still, when I compare it with Tally, I found it very difficult to use, to go through or to shift through any other softwares. We found it integration to AWS with Tally. It is very cost effective for us because we need not to put down any of the further expenses on any of our hardware or personal requirement.